This is a multi-lock junior rim cylinder. It's 5 pins, pin and pin. I'm gonna try to get it open, and then maybe I'll talk about it a little bit. But this thing's, like all multi-locks, it's the easiest lock to get open. So I'm gonna go back to the back. 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Okay. 2. And I'm getting counter rotation on 1. There we go. Got 1 set. Okay, I think it's no counter rotation there. Maybe that was 4, but I lost my full set, so now I gotta. There's 1. Alright, now I'm in the deep pull set. This is where it gets fun, because I gotta figure out what's not set, or if I'm just kind of stuck. Oh yeah, no, that's open. Okay, cool. So it binds from the back. I had to start with 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1 felt like a spool pin, and it gave me a decent bit of counter rotation. So once I got that set, I had to go back to the back and get number 5. The outer pin fell back down, and then when I went into that deep fall set, I just had to go back and push the inner pin on number 4 up just a little bit higher. I honestly didn't expect it to open as fast as it did. I have gotten it open a couple times off camera, and the only reason it's not turning any farther than it is because that back piece just right here on the back of the lock. But I can do this. Yeah, see, so it's open. Like all these multi-locks, honestly, I think I'm going to get a new set of flag picks, maybe the multi-pick ones or something like that, because I use the Sparrow's black flags, and I mean, they're good, they're fine, but they're kind of flexible, so when I need it to be stiff and push up, it has a tendency to flex on me. But that is the Mul-t-Lock Junior rim cylinder.